Hello everyone, welcome to Machine Learning Project Based Learning Series. This series is designed to provide practical, hands-on experiences with real-world problem statement. If you are looking to build a career in machine learning, this series is tailor-made for you. Whether you are working on personal projects, building your portfolio, working on final year project, or even you are aiming to become a freelancer in machine learning, this project will be invaluable for you. The iris flower classification projects served as an excellent starting point for the beginner. By successfully completing this project, you will gain a comprehensive understanding of the entire machine learning pipeline, essential libraries, the core aspect of machine learning projects. For those looking to take it as a step further, we will guide you through the building a app interface and even deploying your machine learning model as a cloud or maybe other service provider. So to enroll in this course, simply send your query at email ID contact@codersart.com and mention in the subject line project based learning iris flower classification or any other project you are looking for help. Now let's delve into the syllabus and the lecture detail of these projects we are going to cover in this course. So as a Codersart training, we are offering different trainings on different programs, as you can see, like one-on-one training and tutoring, whatever the course is or the skills you want to learn. Programming assignment, if you are working on hands-on projects or maybe you are working assignments, homework or final year projects, or any programming task you are doing and you need help, so we are offering programming assignment help services as well. Online courses, okay, so we are also offering online courses, self-paced courses, but that is only for on demand. Okay, mentorship, so if you are building some if you need help for some of the part, 1 hour session, 2 hour sessions, it's just like whenever on demand mentorship. So these are programming services we are offering if somebody need training on that. Web development, mobile app development, cloud computing, data science, machine learning and artificial intelligence. These are some popular terms like large language models, generative AI and custom AI models. Okay, so these are basic brief about the Codersart training. Okay, so now let's talk about the projects we are talking about, right? So in iris flower classifications, if you are somebody interested for these projects, so let's discuss what we will cover in this course for this project based learning course. Okay, and the project title is iris flower classification. So this project is completely for beginners. Okay, so whoever have some basic understanding, have already learned the theoretical part and they want to build do some practical projects, so this project is going to be very helpful, as or maybe your first project, a starting project, it could be there. Okay, so these projects cover various aspects like data analysis, okay, including data explorations, pre-processing, feature engineering, model training and evaluations. So these are the common machine learning pipeline for all machine learning projects we have to you have to follow, right? By end of this course, participant will have to develop essential skill for data analysis and machine learning. So if you are want to build career in machine learning engineers or machine learning developers or data analysis, so this project is going to very helpful. Okay, so go to learning outcomes. So these are outcome you will learn. You will gain the proficiency in using library for data analysis or machine learning like pandas. This project is going to use pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, seaborn. So these are some popular libraries. Develop ability to load, explore the data, pre-processing, as we have already explained with the help of pandas. So basic, not basic, all the important data visualizations with the help of matplotlib or seaborn. These are library to create some plots, charts. So using this matplotlib and seaborn library, we can draw different charts or graph or even the different data visualizations. Also the feature selections, if you are working on machine learning projects, so there is many for any data set there is lots of features, so based on which features we have to use in our predictions or for machine learning training. So feature engineering just for selection of the best feature for get the best accuracy for your project. So training, testing data, these are different part of how to split data into testing, training, testing, and then evaluate our model on this data set. Also we will gain experience on machine learning algorithms, starting with the decision tree. So this project's iris flower classification, we will start with decision tree algorithms. Evaluations matrix we will use such as accuracy, precision, recall, and confusion matrix. So these are different. Once your model is trained and training is done, finally we have to evaluate our models, so how better we are getting the accuracy or the result. Based on that we will evaluate how best our model is. Okay, then finally develop a practical understanding of how to create and visualize decision tree for classification task. Okay, so as a prerequisite is a completely Python's programming language. So this project code will develop using Python. So if you have basic understanding of Python, easily can understand this project. Fundamental concept of data analysis not required, but at least basic libraries already explained. This is a Python programming language we will use, and these are the library: pandas, scikit-learn, matplotlib, c1. This library we will use in this project. So and the course syllabus is divided in different lectures. Maybe 1 or 2 lectures can be covered in one day, so in one ongoing sessions. But let's first talk about what are the different lectures we have splitted out the whole project training. This project training especially iris flower classification. So there is total I think 7. So in 7 lectures your projects training will be completed for this one. In first lectures we will talk about introduction to course, projects goal, understanding the importance of data analysis and machine learning in real world. So this will be introductions. In second lectures we will do some basic hands-on, like introduction to key Python library used in this courses, like what is matplotlib, scikit-learn, matplot, c1s. Overview of all these library, we will do the basic making familiar with these libraries. So introductory lectures 1 and lecture 2 will be basically for getting to familiar with all these libraries. From lecture 3 we will start exploring the data set, loading data set, understanding data set structures, features, and data exploration technique to gain insight with the data. So in lecture 3 we will do all the data processing part, pre-processing and data collections we will do in this lecture 3. Lecture 4, loading the data, your entry point of data analysis or machine learning projects, or even for this iris flower classification project. So data pandas is used to all the data manipulations task, loading, processing, converting the data frame. So we will use pandas for this one. So doing all the basic operation on data. Okay, and handling different data file format. Okay, so we will explore all these things, like most common feature of data, most common format of data is .csv file. Even we can load text file, JSON file, all the things. But as a basic standard, whenever people are starting machine learning, so they start with a CSV format, because these are comma separated file and they are very easy to load and read with the help of pandas. In lectures 5 we will do some little bit more advanced data exploratory tasks, like data exploratory like visualizations, creating meaningful visualization using matplotlib, c1s, identifying outliers and handling missing data. Okay, so all the term we will cover in this courses, what is called outlier, okay, what is missing value, all the things. So but I'm giving the briefing thing. In lectures 6 we will do the feature engineering. Okay, so crafting the feature of better machine learning model. The role of feature engineering in improving the model performance, and how, like basically we use independent variable, dependent variables, some of the target variable you have to, like we have to classify like which different flowers belongs to, or which columns belong to which flower. It's just like classifications, right? So in classification we have to select some columns, so our column that is called target columns, and based on that we will train our model. So this is called feature engineering, for selecting the best feature to improve our model performance. Okay, and techniques to create and select relevant features. So we have to also check like which features is affecting our performance of the model. So we are also going to do this one. So this all the things related to feature selections comes, which are the best feature we have to use, or how the independent target variable. So all this comes under feature engineering. Okay, so selecting the best features. Feature means properties, or in simple term we can say, if you are a tabular format, the column, right? So what is more standard term we call features, or properties of the data. Okay, and the finally I think once feature selection is done, then we will do the our next step will be training the algorithms, machine learning algorithm. We will use decision tree, and after selecting this algorithm, and also we'll explain why we are using this decision tree, right? Why this algorithm we have selected, why, or is there some more algorithm you can select or not. So these things also we'll discuss. Model training and testing. So we will divide data into different testing and training, and then after we will apply algorithms. Okay, and then do the training and testing, and then finally we will evaluate how better our algorithm is performing on given data. Okay, and so how to judge which algorithm is better or not. So this is called evaluations. Okay, so with the help of evaluations technique, or there is different techniques like evaluation matrix, with the help of visualizations, you can get what are the best result. Okay, so this is called evaluations technique finally, to show somebody how better your model is performing. Okay, so this was the total this was the overview of the course syllabus, what you will learn, and in different lectures what do things. Also there will be gap between lectures 2 or 3, so that you can explore more about things, and you can learn by yourself and by Google search or something. And if there is something not able to understand, so in next lecture you can ask your questions. What will the course schedule? So only this will be one session per day. Okay, and frequency will be 3 sessions per week. Okay, and this project's duration will be 1 or 2 weeks maximum, if there is everything goes fine. And so is a total duration in 1 or 2 weeks. So this course will be completed in these courses. Once a 2 week means like 3 sessions per week. So there is how many, there is total 7 lectures. Okay, so maybe in one lectures it can be some 1 or 2, one in one session lecture 1 or 2 will be converted, but it may be even though take 2 sessions for one lecture as well, it could be there. But I think this is the rough estimate, 1 or 2 weeks the whole year this iris flower classification project will be covered. And the more delivery mode, like or learning mode, will be online, Google Meet or Zoom. Our instructor will be selected. Okay, so there are instructor is free. Okay, so give you the training. And yeah, obviously you can book a demo session as well. Okay, so once you are ready and once you send your query, we will book a demo session with our expert, and then based on that you can go with the payment details, and then we can, after payment is done, then we your class will be started. Okay, so these were the details everyone. So if you have any doubt or a query, you can directly reach out to us through email. Okay, so these are email address, contact@Codersarts, or maybe you can visit our website. You can send the simple WhatsApp message as well. Okay, and then our team will reach out to you. So thank you for watching. Let's meet in another one.